गाइस तुम अपने फ्यूचर को इग्नोर मत करो, जैसे तुम लोग जिम मेंबरशिप के बाद जिम को इग्नोर करते हो। चलो कुछ सॉल्व करते हैं। एवरीवन, आज हम एक ऐसी चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे जो आपकी फाइनेंशियल लाइफ को जेन्युइनली बेटर बना सकती है, एंड दैट इज HDFC Life Sanchay Plus. Forget those complicated schemes that makes your head spin. This is about keeping things simple and building a strong foundation for your future, step by step. Now, I will talk in easiest language, the way we talk about how this plan can be a real game changer for your long-term goals. क्योंकि लाइफ में सरप्राइजेस आते रहते हैं, but your financial future does not have to be one of them. So stick around, क्योंकि ये वीडियो आपको दिखाएगा वो सीधा और आसान रास्ता जिससे आप अपने फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर को एक्चुअली सिक्योर कर सकते हैं। आई नो आप सोच रहे होंगे इस प्लान में है क्या। सिंपल भाषा में बोलूं तो इट्स अ गारंटीड इनकम प्लान। यू इन्वेस्ट मनी फॉर अ फ्यू इयर्स एंड आफ्टर दैट HDFC Life gives you a fixed returns depending on the option you choose. It's like planting a mango tree. पानी डालो कुछ साल, फिर हर साल आम ही आम। There are total of 4 options under this plan. These are as follows: guaranteed maturity, guaranteed income, lifelong income, and long-term income. The first one is guaranteed maturity. In my words, the safe big bang plan. This one is for those who like to play it safe but think big. You invest for a few years and then one day, boom, one big guaranteed payout. No ups, no downs, just peace of mind, which simply means you wait patiently and get a lump sum at the end. This plan is ideal for kids' future, wedding plans or retirement purpose, etc. Think of it like biryani, slow cooked, but when it's ready, bhai, swad bhi, reward bhi. The second one is guaranteed income. In my words, mini salary, maximum peace. This plan is for those who want regular income without doing regular work. Pay for a few years, then chill. Every year, paisa drops in like your own private bonus. In simple words, you will get a yearly income, let's say for 10 to 12 years. This plan is perfect for side income planners, EMI managers, or just extra peace of mind money. Okay, imagine in this way. It's like a Netflix subscription, but reversed. They pay you every year and no annoying ads. The third one is lifelong income. In my words, your personal pension wala plan. This one is for the people who think long game. You invest for a few years and then paisa starts coming every year till you turn 99. Yes, lifetime ka paisa. And at the end, your invested amount also comes back, which simply means guaranteed income till age 99 and return of the premium at the end. This plan is great for retirement planners, self-employed folks with no pension, or anyone who wants tension-free future cash flow. भाई, imagine a plan that literally says, तुम जीते रहो, तुम्हें पैसा मिलता रहेगा। Number 4, long-term income. In my words, 25-30 साल का पैसा पंप. This plan is like the long-term investment that keeps on giving, like your favorite Netflix show that never ends, but better because it's all guaranteed income. You invest for a few years and then for 25 to 30 years, you start getting regular cash in hand. And the cherry on top, at the end, you get all your invested money back. In simple words, regular income for 25 or 30 years and full premium returned at the end. This is perfect for people who want steady income for the future or just want to be that cool parent who plans everything in advance. Imagine in this way, you invest money for a few years and then for the next 30 years, you are getting money like a salary without any boss, meetings and deadlines. It's like being on a permanent vacation. पैसा आता रहेगा, टेंशन नहीं। आप सभी को बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया होगा कि HDFC Life संचय प्लस की 4 प्लान में से आपके लिए बेस्ट प्लान कौन सा है। लेट मी टेल यू, हर प्लान अपना काम परफेक्टली करता है। चाहे आपको रेगुलर इनकम चाहिए, चाहे आपको लमसम चाहिए या लाइफ टाइम सिक्योरिटी, सारे प्लान्स आपके फ्यूचर को सिक्योर करने के लिए ही है। गाइज, फ्यूचर का बॉस बनने का टाइम अभी है। नाउ गाइज, डोंट मिस दिस इंपॉर्टेंट नेक्स्ट स्टेप. In the video description, you will find a link. Click it now and fill out the form. This step ensures we can reach out to you and provide personalized guidance to help you find a perfect plan. अपने सपनों को सिर्फ देखो मत, उनके लिए प्लान भी करो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में with more insights. Hit the subscribe button and like the video. Keep watching One Attack. Till then, take care and bye bye.